The new gen Netflix idol, Donnie Pangilinan!
Hello everyone! Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat.
Alam mo sila, mga hindi na yata natulog yan kakaabang sa'yo.
Hindi ko nga alam nandito kayo. Bakit kayo nandito? Joke lang. Hello guys! Kumusta? Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat.
Pwede mo bang i-share sa amin, describe your usual sleep routine?
My usual sleep routine? Well, before that, I would just like to say maraming salamat po sa Eurotex for having me today. Kasi ito, walang halong bola to. Eurotex user talaga ako since day one. So when we were kids, lahat po ng mattress namin, Eurotex. And Eurotex, they've been super supportive towards me when I would build like my first home. Kunyari on the beach, like lahat ng mattress ko, Eurotex talaga. Kasi yung first condo ko, Eurotex. So it got to a point na may relationship na ako sa mattress ko. Na nung kumuha ako ng bahay sa Laguna, may kama na dun eh. Maganda na yung mattress nun. Pero sabi ko hindi, kailangan yung mattress na kukunin ko galing sa condo ko. Papalitan nyo yun para yun talaga yung mattress ko dun. Kasi may relationship na kami. So, ganun ka-deep yung relationship namin ng Eurotex.
In short, hindi ka makakatulog pag wala siya.
Tama, kailangan na dun siya every night. To answer your question, yes.
So, describe your sleep routine.
Okay, so minsan kasi hindi parehas yung schedule ko in terms of sleeping because of work. So I really have to make it a point na pag matutulog talaga ako. Wala na akong ibang gagawin. I won't watch a movie, I won't eat, I won't like work out right before, you know, it has to be just for sleep. And I'm the type of person na kung matutulog ako, kailangan wala talagang ilaw, walang sound. Sobrang solid ng feel. Kasi alam ko yung iba, gusto nila night-night. Yung iba may konting sound sa speakers.
White noise
Pero ako kasi, yung routine ko talaga kailangan wala, as in sleep sound talaga. And blackout curtains, gano'n. So, the moment nakita na ng katawan ko yun, at na-feel ko na okay, it's quiet, it's dark, that means it's time to sleep.
Nag-automatic,
so,
shut down na siya.
Automatic na.